You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these brand from Italy, pasta brand names in particular. If you want to learn more names of different brands and cuisine names from Italy in particular, pasta names, stay tuned. Make sure to stay tuned. So the Italian pronunciation first. De Cecco. Okay, so yes, the C before an E makes a ch sound in Italian. So ce, and then double C-O is a K sound, a K sound. So De Cecco. De Cecco. In English, if you cannot pronounce Italian perfectly, De Cecco. De Cecco. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.